Hello and welcome, my name's Alfie and I'm part of the sales team here at Grande, and today I'm going to be taking you around the Swift Elite Grande 580 2023 model for you, give you an idea of the interior and exterior as we go through it together. So I hope you enjoy, sit back, relax and take a moment to enjoy the luxury of this Caravan. So we're in the interior of the Caravan and where better to start than the lounge area itself. As you can see, you've got both sofas adjacent to each other with a nice chest of drawers in the middle just for added storage. One feature of these drawers is you do have a nice top section, which just by pushing that up and pulling that out, pull that nice and easy. You've got a nice open dining space almost, so you don't always have to get the freestanding table out, especially if it's just the two of you. Makes things easier and saves time and space as well. So same thing, pushes back in extremely easily. And then one thing you will notice across on both sides is you've got the overhead lockers on either side, which are exactly the same across. This is the one that's really different because obviously the radio goes inside. And as you move across, you've got split into shelving space. Then you've got your nice corner one here as well. But those are identical to it. So just to give you a showing of it all. So as you can see, nice and symmetrical with it, and you've got lots of storage space across both sides of it. So just above the habitation door here, we've got all your main control panels. So this is the main one that controls all the power inside, all the lighting system, your awning light, your water levels, and a few other bits and pieces that we can go into an explanation closer to handover. Moving across, you've got the actual main heating control, which as you can tell is an Audi heating system inside this Caravan. Turning the temperature up, turning it down, switching it on is all done from there. Taking a step back, you've got a nice mirror on the side as a nice little decoration piece. Then to the right hand side of the Caravan, you've got the kitchen area. So you've got the oven to the right, sink area in the central with the microwave central as well. As you open up these, as you can see, you've got loads of storage inside. You've got a nice plate holder for the journey and same with the cups. So during transit, you can put them in there and not have to worry about them. Then you've got a microwave in the middle. Moving across, you've got a nice storage space, which as you can see has your solar charge controller, which you can also notice is with it flashing green, it shows that it's operating perfectly fine. Moving down, you've got your 4 hob pieces here. You've got 3 gas and 1 electric, so you can operate the Caravan on either one of them. Moving down, you've got your grill section, your oven section, and then a nice storage space underneath for any kind of pots and pans that you want to just be kept out of sight and saving up creating clutter across the Caravan. Moving across again, be the main drawer with a nice open space to the left, and the main cutlery pieces can go all in here, your knives and stuff, all nice forks, spoons, whatever it is you bring with you. Perfect little slot for it. And moving down again, on this left hand side you've got a nice split into some shelving space, and on the right same kind of storage again, pulls out so it's easily accessible, so you can just walk up, grab what you need to grab out of there. If you're washing up something and you're just leaving it to dry, perfect little spot for it. Then as we do return, we've got a nice tall big fridge freezer here with all your main controls just there. Opening it up, so as you can see you've got loads of storage space in there for all your food pieces, so if you're going away for a weekend or even a week you don't have to worry, you've got all the space for it. Freezer section just here. So this fridge can open either way, so if you've got someone to the left of you, open it that way. If not, just open it the other way as well. Moving up again. So this is where all the TV, satellite and amplifiers are. As you can see just in that far corner, you've got your TV amplifier. But even with those bits and pieces, you've still got a nice kind of area for any extra storage. So a few items that you want to just be kept out of sight, out of mind, nice little spot for them. Same as well underneath, you've got the same kind of thing, just a nice little tucked away spot. And taking a step back, right in the middle of this Caravan, you've got your transverse bed, right in the centre, with wardrobes and some space down there. Same on the other side, the wardrobe and a bit more space down there for storage with your overhead lockers, which are exactly the same to each other. As you open it up, both of them have the shelving space inside. And moving across to the wardrobe. This is the larger one because, as you can tell, you've got a few bits and pieces inside, your fold-away table, the elderly fluid, and that's just for the sofa if you're making it up into a bed. But even with all that in, you've still got a large storage space inside for all the clothes you're bringing with you, so you don't have to worry about overpacking too many outfits. Moving down again. This is where you've got a nice split for the serious shelving, so any kind of towels, bits and pieces that you want to just be kept folded up neatly, there's a nice little spot for it all. And before we move to the other side, just in this corner on the right hand side, you've got the mirror here for getting ready in the morning, which does also pull out so it can be adjusted so it can face more towards the bed, whichever you prefer. And down on either side opens up, which do join together, just a nice extra addition as well. Then, as we move across to this side, showing you the smaller wardrobe in the Caravan. And despite it being slightly smaller, you've still got loads of space inside. And moving down, same again as the other side, you've got the split storage space there for any kind of folded items, bits and pieces that you want to be kept a bit more neat. Moving into the bathroom, first thing you'll see is you've got your toilet here in the corner. Then you do have the large vanity mirror right in the centre, so getting ready in the morning, doing your hair, doing your makeup, whatever it is, perfect place for it. Got a nice shelving space there so you can put some decorations, make it more homely, make it more homely for yourself and more to you. Moving across again, just above the toilet here, you've got a nice open cabinet. So any kind of bathroom appliances, bits and pieces that you just want to be kept inside there, it's a nice spot for them. And with the new Swifts, it just looks more sleek because you don't have any handles or buttons to press on these things. It's just a push and open, makes it very simple. Then as I take a step back again, on this far left side of the Caravan, you've got the nice square mirror with the nice design on the inside, with almost a marble effect on the wall. So even if you are someone who's a bit taller, a bit more spacious needed, not to worry, as you can tell from it, you don't lose out on space with it at all. Now I'll just give you a quick tour of the interior so you can get an idea of it before we move across to the exterior of the Caravan and show you that as well. Now we're on the exterior of the Caravan and we're about to start in the front facing area itself. As you can see on the front locker, you've got the nice carbon matte black finish across it. This is large enough to contain 2 gas bottles, along with coming standard with a electric cable, a water pump, a step and a steady winder as well with this Caravan. Moving down to the A-frame, you've got your ATC module system here, so it's an extra little bonus. Moving across the left hand side, you've got your external shower point with your water intake and your leisure battery compartment where your electric hookup will go when you're on site as well. Just showing the decals down the side with the nice diamond cut alloys. Then here at the back end, you've got where your toilet cassette area is kept, so where all the toilet fluids will go into, and then when you insert all the cleaning products and toilet fluids itself into here for your Caravan. Then we move across to the back end of it. So you've got the branding on the side with the bike rack bars there, so if somebody likes to bring your bikes with you, all you can do is fit a bike rack to the back of it, perfect spot for it, and there you are. It can fit up to 2 bikes on them, and then off you go with it, perfect, ready for yourself. Now as we move across to the habitation side, you've got an under compartment here which goes to under the bed, nice little storage space which you can access from inside and outside the Caravan, perfectly fine, so it makes loading it up a lot easier so you don't have to fiddle with getting in and out up through the door. Last few bits again, you've got another external point which comes under the sofa, you've got a 230 volt socket as well as a TV point just here as well. And then moving across, last bit of piece on the Caravan, you've got a gas barbecue point here. There we have it for you. That is the Swift Elite Grande 580 2023 for you. I hope you've enjoyed. If you do have any further questions regarding this Caravan at all, please don't be afraid to contact me or any other salesperson here at Granthams at 01476 560599. Thank you. Have a good day.